In creating the next great medical device, the journey from concept to commercialization can be full of challenges. From material selection to manufacturability to navigating the regulatory process, finding the right partner can be the difference between your device making it to the operating room or never leaving the conference room. At Lubrizol, we collaborate with our customers from ideation to manufacturing. Our deep expertise in all phases of device development enables us to find innovative solutions that solve complex technical issues, deliver breakthrough results, empower clinicians, and improve patient quality of life. Our team of device design experts across the globe includes engineers and technicians with decades of extensive experience in medical device development. We produce more than 85 million medical device components and assemblies per year, starting with the end use in mind to ensure a scalable, robust volume production process. We first evaluate and optimize designs to smooth the transition into manufacturing, improve speed and flow of production, and make assembly more efficient. A crucial step early in the process is selecting polymers with the appropriate material characteristics, chemical resistance, strength, flexibility, biocompatibility, and biostability profiles. Our technical, regulatory, and compliance experts can help ensure the materials meet the regulations specific to the market. Our manufacturing expertise includes minimally invasive catheters and delivery systems, as well as a broad array of thermoplastic and silicone-based medical device components. From custom-designed fixtures and detailed manual procedures to fully automated processes, we deliver industry-leading quality and manufacturability to your medical device assembly. Finally, in the post-launch phase, we support our customers in their efforts to identify product improvement opportunities for current and future generations of devices that serve interventional vascular, neurovascular, cardiac rhythm management and neuromodulation, electrophysiology, and other long and short-term applications. At Lubrizol, end-to-end collaboration isn't just about differentiation, it's about delivering value to our customers that goes beyond the device.